Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're coming across this Windows notification error that says that there are no security providers for antivirus, firewall, and web protection, but you do in fact have an antivirus, or at least a common one that Windows should detect, like Avast, AVG, ESET, Bitdefender, Vera, Komodo, that kind of thing, or you're using the built-in Windows Defender protection that's included in Windows 10. So if for some reason it's still coming back with that and it says no providers, that is probably going to be a problem here. And we're going to go about how to resolve it. At least it should be able to figure out if there's any corrupt Windows files that are resulting in this disconnect, I would say. So I would make sure you actually do have an antivirus running, and if you're curious just how you would check if you're unsure, you should have a real-time antivirus running if you check down your system tray here, down the bottom right corner of your taskbar. And if you click the little up arrow, you should have a little antivirus logo. So if you just hover over any of the icons, it should be something that says antivirus or anti-malware or something like that running in real time. So if you don't, that's probably a reason for concern here, and that would be what you would have to do to resolve the problem, would be to actually install an antivirus or just disable those notifications. But we are presuming you do want to be protected and you already have protection on your computer, but you're just still coming across this no provider error. So we're going to go about how to hopefully resolve it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just have to go on the start button one time, type in CMD. Best match should go back with command prompt. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now I'm going to have a couple of commands in the description of my video here, guys. And the first one's going to be a DISM command. So just copy that, and then once it's in your clipboard, go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard. Okay, so once that is done and you have a blinking cursor, now you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scannow. Scannow should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time, so please be patient. Okay, so it says that it did find corrupt files and successfully repaired them. So we probably should restart our computer at this point to make sure you save out of any open programs and applications. Restart your computer and hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.